Okay, so the next question is that what type of motion profile are exist? Okay, so the ones that they are common, where you have a lot, you can do a lot of weird motion profile and those kind of things, but the ones that you see very common, you see in the industry. Okay, at least I saw in the industry as a semicon guy. These are the ones that in semicon is popular. So the very first one is a T-curve. So I will show you the pictures. T-curve with a low pass filter. Okay, so they add a low pass filter to smoothen it up. S-curve, so when we say S-curve, we mean that it has only jerk. Okay, sinusoidal curve. Okay, so sinusoidal curve also, it is something like a jerk, but I still prefer the jerk one. But never mind, I will later I show you. But the sinusoidal curve is very common when they do the camming, those kind of things. It means that when they do, even for example, when they design a cam, okay, actually they have a motion profile for it. So you see the guys that they are pro mechanical, okay, hard code the profile to the cam system, to mechanical. Later I show you these things, okay. And after that, higher order, for example, motion profiles. So that one is with snap. So these things is too advanced. This one is like hardcore semicon for one application out of 1,000 you need this shit. But these are the things that I saw they use in industry. And the last thing is a higher order sinusoidal. Okay, so this one is one of the best motion profile that I have developed in my life. Not many people they know how to do this, but I know. Okay, so so I managed. It took me years to develop that shit. So but yeah, so later I show you how the things look like and those kind of things.